If you would like an Excel version of your school's account information, you can do that by logging into your own teacher account, and in the left-hand menu, click Manage Accounts. And this page will display all of your school's information, so the details at the top, the teachers and the students underneath. Now, if you're the admin of the school, at the top right you'll see a blue export button. Just click on that and it will download it straight away to your computer in Excel form. Just click on that and it will open. And in this spreadsheet you will see 4 different tabs. You have the first tab, which is schools, and that just details your school's information. The second tab, teachers, gives you a list of all the teachers you have assigned to your school. The third tab is classes, so which teacher is assigned to each of those classes that you have set up. And the fourth tab is students, which details their names, their classes listed here, usernames, password, and their start and expiry dates of the accounts. Now, with this information, you can use it to copy and paste into any learning portals that you might have where you share information with parents. You can also use it to create a mail merge for letters and emails and so forth. And you can also just keep hold of this spreadsheet for any future references that you may need.